Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the day 10 of calligraphy. So, today we'll be learning the group 2 uppercase letters, which include C, D, E, G, O, Q, Y, and U. So, first one is C. So, again, you have to write it in two boxes. So, start from the middle of this box with a thin curve, go down with a thick curve, and come up with a thin curve. Make a thin curve in the center of this box, come down with a thick curve, go up with a thin curve. So next letter is D. So start it from this line, come down with a thick stroke, and from here go up with a thin curve like this and take a round like this. So make a thick stroke like this, go up with a thin curve. So next letter is E. Start it from here with a thin curve, go down with a thick curve, again go down with a thick curve and come up with a thin curve. Thin curve, thick curve, thick curve and thin curve. So next is G. So for G, start it from the corner of this box with a thin up curve, come down with a thick curve like this and again go up with a thin curve like this. Now take a thick stroke down and again take a small thin curve like this and make a thin line like this. So start it from your corner, make a thin curve, go down with a thick curve, come up with a thin curve, come down with a thick stroke like this, make a thin curve and make a thin line. So the next letter is O. For O, start it from here, from the middle of this box with a thick stroke like this and go up with a thin circle like this. So this is O. Thick stroke and go up with a thin circle. So next is Q. So for Q also you have to make a O first like this with a thick stroke, go up with a thin stroke and just make a zigzag curve. So make a thick stroke like this, a thin stroke and a zigzag curve. So next letter is Y. So for making Y, you first make a U first, make a small curve like this, go down with a thick stroke, again go up with a thin curve and come down with a thick stroke like this and again go up with a thin curve. So small curve, come down with a thick stroke, go up with a thin curve, again make a thick stroke like this and again go up with a thin curve. So last letter for today is U. So make a thin curve, come down with a thick stroke like this, go up with a thin curve, and again make a thick stroke like this with a small thin curve. So this is somewhat similar to the lowercase u. So this was all for your day 10. I'll be sending the snapshot of this. Repeat the work, and thank you. That was all. Thank you.